Well, hello, it's me, Mr. Sasaki, and today is long, long ago on the violin. Play through slow and fast. Are you ready? Okay, get your instrument up. Pinky on your bow. Straight wrist. Okay, remember, the motion we're looking for is open and close from the elbow. Okay, smooth motions here. All right, start in the middle. So, our slow speed. A, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle bow. Okay, now time for the fast playthrough. Let's make this one more energetic. All right, our marking is going to be moderato, so it gives us a kind of a big range, right? As long as we're not too slow and super fast. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle bow. All right, how'd you do? So, if you can play the slow and the fast, somewhere in between, successfully, and you're feeling good about it, congratulations, and I'll see you in the next song.